Hey guys, this is Ben with Shirk Photography. I want to show you a quick glimpse into my love of the game template. With the download, there's a full tutorial that includes all the information about how to modify this template, insert your subjects, and how to make your subjects look awesome in here. However, for a quick overview, there's text layers that can be all changed and modified. You don't have to have this text in here at all. You can change any of the colors in this text, change any of the fonts, even change the model. You don't have to have love of the game. It can certainly be just Wilton baseball or something. All these elements are movable, so you can move the lights, you can move the fences, you can move the sky, there's a sun ray, all kinds of great elements. This template looks amazing for individuals and can be very emotional. If you follow our lighting tips and have the subject looking down, walking away, if you talk to your seniors about the last moments of their baseball career or softball career, their last game and all the hard work and effort they put into it and thinking about was walking off that field, they're not staring back at the camera, they're looking down, they're looking at their bag, their bat, looking off in the distance. They might have a bat or a ball in their hand, but you talk to them a little bit about that and then set up the scene. They're going to absolutely love it, and it's going to make an amazing art piece for them. There's so many possibilities with this template. Hope you really love it, and I hope your subjects do too.